What's up guys, and welcome back to my vlog. I haven't vlogged in such a long time. The last time I posted a vlog was my New Year's vlog, and I've done a couple of sit down videos, but today I'm back and I'm super excited. I'm going to be filming a day in my life, maybe a weekend in my life, really depends on what we end up doing. Today is Saturday, and yeah, I'm just getting the day started. I just took my shower and I'm about to go make breakfast. I'm trying this new breakfast recipe. Well, it's not even a breakfast recipe. A lot of you guys have probably done this before, but I thought I would try it out and show you guys how it goes. And then we're probably going out for Starbucks. We might go out for lunch, although everything is closed where I live. Like fast food restaurants, you can still get some food, pick up orders and that kind of stuff. So we're gonna do that today, maybe go for a walk, work out, and we'll see where else the day takes us. So without further ado, let's get this day started. This is what we're making for breakfast, these little egg cups. I've got some sausages right here that I'm going to pre-cook before putting them in the cups. Then I have some spinach, a red bell pepper, some red onion, and then obviously eggs. I'm making two for me, 2 for Alex, so we're gonna use 4 eggs. So basically that's what we're making. So I'm gonna make them and then I'll show you guys how they turn out. They have to be in the stove at 350 for about 15 to 17 minutes. So I'll let you guys know. All right, so this is what it looks like before going in the oven. I definitely made a mess, but it's totally fine. And there's definitely some of the egg that went into this little muffin cup right there, but it's whatever. It's totally fine. They're gonna be really, really good either way. So I'm gonna put these in the oven for about 15 minutes, check them, and if they need to be in there longer, then I'll leave them in longer. I got ready. I put some Lulu leggings on, this brown oversized shirt that I love, and I did my makeup. Could really not tell the other way, but I did my makeup. Feels good to do my makeup. I also blow dried my hair for it to be like all fluffy and straight. So we're just waiting on the egg bites to be ready, and then we're gonna head out the door, go to Starbucks, and then we'll see whatever happens. So we're in the car, and I just wanted to show you guys how the egg bites turned out, because they taste really good, but they broke. But let me show you guys what they look like. This is what they look like. They completely broke, but they're really, really yummy.
Like scrambled eggs now.
Like scrambled eggs. I definitely recommend you guys try this. Like, we were kind of in a hurry, so maybe if I would have waited a bit for them to cool down, then maybe it would have been fine, but I was in a hurry, and as soon as I got them out of the oven, I tried to take them out, and that's probably why they broke. But anyways, right now we're going to Starbucks, and I'm so excited. It's our first time at Starbucks in like probably over a month.
Yeah,
we haven't been to
2021.
Yeah, first time in 2021. I want to get a cold brew. I'm so excited, so I'll update you guys in a bit. You guys, we made it to Starbucks, and this is the line. There is a very, very, very long line, but we're gonna do the line because we want Starbucks. Last time there was a really long line, and we were running last minute, so we didn't do it, but I want Starbucks today, and I don't care. I'm gonna wait for my Starbucks. So that's what we're gonna do. And I'm hesitating to see like if they have the latte, the caramel brulee latte, and if they still have it, then I want it. But if they don't, then I want vanilla cream cold brew. So we'll see. It really depends on what they have. You guys, we'll see in a sec. You guys, we're getting lattes because they still have the caramel brulee ones, and I'm obsessed with those. If you guys watch any of my Vlogmas videos, you probably know that I am obsessed with them. So I'm really, really happy that we get to drink them. I'm guessing they decided to keep them for a while longer because they're really, really popular. So we just ordered our drinks, and we're waiting to pay and get them. Yay! You guys, we got our Starbucks. I'm so freaking excited. You guys know I love Starbucks. I've already talked about it way too much. So we got our Starbucks, and now we are heading to go take a walk, I think. Yep. And then we're probably gonna get some Harvey's for lunch, which is gonna be really, really good. I was craving it yesterday, and now we're gonna get some for lunch today. So I'm excited. Today's gonna be a good day, and it's a really, really nice day out too. So what's up guys? I haven't talked to you guys in a bit. We actually did go for a walk. We were literally outside for 15 minutes. It is so cold outside right now. And I wanted to vlog, but my hands were frozen, my feet were frozen. I just could not move at all. Like, I was walking and that was all I was doing. So I'm so sorry, and I really wanted to show you guys what it looked like where we were walking. I do have a small clip on my phone, so I'll insert that right now. It is like on my phone, right? So it's not gonna be full screen, but it was so pretty. We were right on the side of the water and it was really, really nice. Right now we're going to Harvey's to get burgers, and we're probably gonna go work out at my mom's house just because she has like a full like gym set, not like a full gym set, but she has a lot of equipment at her house that we can use to work out, which is really nice. And then I probably need to go to Costco, so we'll see. Like maybe we won't go to Costco, or maybe we won't go work out at my mom's today, maybe we'll go tomorrow. I don't know, I'm really not sure, but we'll see. But I'm pretty sure we're going to Costco today though, because we need eggs and what's the other thing that we need? I don't remember, but we need a couple of things that I need to buy. So yeah, I'll update you guys in a bit. You guys, we got the goods. These fries are so good. I'll show you guys the burger once we get home. I'm guessing, are we gonna eat home? At home?
You wanna eat at home?
I wanna eat at home.
Okay.
You wanna go home?
Yeah.
I wanna go home and we can figure out what we wanna do this afternoon.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that. All right, so we've got our lunch here. We've got some fries, some onion rings. If you guys have a Harvey's close to your house or where you live, definitely try the fries out. They're so good, and their burgers are really yummy too. Actually, Alex made my burger, so I'm not sure what's in it, but there's pickles, salad. Is there onions in there? And what sauce did you put in my burger?
Put some ketchup, mayo, and like secret Harvey sauce.
Awesome.
Just I said just to put a little so we can taste it, but I think I don't know if we tasted it before.
I don't remember tasting it, but it's gonna be really, really yummy.
It's like Sidless.
So we're gonna eat, and then we'll see where the day brings us, because it is cold outside, and I don't plan on going back outside anytime soon, except if I'm getting in my car to go do something. Like I said earlier, we wanted to go work out, and we also wanted to go to Costco, so we'll see what we end up doing today. So we just finished eating, and we're like really, really tired, and those burgers were really yummy, but like really like heavy on the stomach. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm really tired right now, but we decided we are gonna go work out. So yeah, we decided to go work out just because like we feel like crap right now, and I think that working out will just make us feel a tad bit better. So we're gonna go and burn a bit of the calories that we just ate. What's up, you guys? We are now at my mom's house. We're gonna work out, but I thought I would show you guys the little setup that we have here. All right, so we've got this machine right here, and then I have some mats right here. This is usually where I work out. Then we have a treadmill right here. We have this punching bag over here. This machine right here that I don't typically use, but I know my brother uses it a lot. Not Max, but like my other brother. You guys have never seen him on the vlog, I think, or maybe once. And then we have this big machine over here that I think like my mom has had this for years. It was actually my stepdad's. And then we have a whole bunch of weights that we're using. So just because of like all the food that I ate, I'm not gonna do abs today. I usually do abs every single day and take one day of break. The day that I took off this week was actually Thursday, but I just don't feel like doing abs, so I'm probably just gonna do like a really intense leg workout. I think that could be really good. All right, you guys, we finished our workout and we are heading to Costco right now, and I'll do a little Costco haul of what we get when I get home. We're not getting a lot of things, we're just like restocking on a couple of things that we're running out of. It's not gonna be a big Costco haul, but I'm still gonna show you guys what we get once we get back home. All right, we are back home, so I thought I would do a little grocery haul. So we've got some eggs right over here. Then we got some green bananas because we are running out of bananas. Got some butter right here, or margarine, our water bottles that we just threw in here to bring the bag in. I got some Parmesan cheese, some oat milk, and some regular milk, and that's literally it. We really didn't have a big like grocery to do. We were just missing a couple of like must-have items in the kitchen, so we stopped and got a couple of those. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. I didn't do anything very interesting last night, so I just stopped vlogging. So I'm gonna make this a weekend vlog. Coco, what's going on? Do you guys hear my cat meowing? I think he wants to go outside. Also, don't mind that noise. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but Alex is going in the shower, so that's the shower that just turned on. Coco, what's going on? Oh my god. Anyways, I just made myself my iced dirty chai and breakfast. Very big breakfast. I like eating big breakfasts in the morning, and then I usually don't eat as much like throughout the day, and then I'll have a big supper. I don't know if that's the way to do it, but that's the way that I like it. So yeah, I'm going to eat breakfast. I'm watching Gilmore Girls A Year in the Life right now. And I'm gonna get ready. We're probably gonna go spend some time outside today. My dad invited us over. He has like a pretty big yard and a shed where he's probably gonna do a fire, so we're probably just gonna hang out with them. Social distancing, obviously, being careful, taking precautions, and we're probably gonna do a Zoom call with the rest of my family, which is gonna be really, really nice. But yeah, I just wanted to say good morning, and that's pretty much it, so I'll update you guys in a bit. So I just got ready. I'm wearing some Lulu leggings, some socks, and this big crew neck that I always wear that I got in New York. So I also did my makeup, and we are heading out the door right now. We are spending the entire day outside, so I didn't like really bother putting like a cute outfit on. I just put stuff that I'm gonna be comfortable and warm in because it's so cold in Canada and Quebec and wherever you are in Canada. It's probably freezing, but it is so cold in Canada right now, and especially where I'm living. So we are dressing warm. I'm gonna put a scarf on, a hat, some gloves, my big winter boots. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along. We'll see if I get any footage. I hope I do, but if I don't, then I'll update you guys later. What is up, you guys? We are back home now, and when we got home, I actually got a package today. Let me show you guys what I got. Nothing fancy, but I got 2 different mascaras. So I got the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise and the L'Oreal Telescopic Original Mascara. I've been really excited to try out a new mascara for a bit now, and I did my research, and these 2 seem to be like some of the best, and I was placing an order on Amazon anyway, so I decided to order them. Also, I didn't really vlog this afternoon. We literally like didn't do that much, but I do have a couple of clips that I'll insert, or that I've already inserted. I don't know how I'm editing this, but you guys will get a little glimpse of what we did this afternoon. All right, so I think I'm gonna end my vlog here. I really hope you guys enjoyed my weekend vlog. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below for more, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.